guys, I am Jason from Brave Wolf Customs. You've probably seen our awesome decals on the internet. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to install them. They are self-adhesive, so it's pretty easy to get them stuck on there. What you're going to see me doing right now is using some painter's masking tape, and that's because it's not too sticky that it's going to stick to your bike and leave residue, but it's got enough adhesive on it that you can position this decal, find out where you want it exactly. Now, I've cut out around this decal. It still has its backing on it, but I get close enough to it when I'm cutting it out that I can see how it's going to look on my bike. And then I just kind of put the tape right in the middle of it, because what we're going to do is we're going to peel the backing on half of it and cut it off. That way we can stick down one side at a time. It makes it more manageable, and then you can be sure that you've got it positioned like you want it. So here I'm just being really careful, getting underneath the little pointy areas of the decal, because I don't want to get underneath the laminate. I just want to get to the back of the decal. It's not too hard. You just go a little bit slow and be careful here. And then you're gonna see me make a mistake a little bit later, because it's so windy outside and I get in a hurry and accidentally stick the decal too fast and not exactly where I wanted it. And you're gonna see how easy it is to just pull it up and put it back where you want it. Here I'm just using scissors to cut the backing off. Be sure you don't cut yourself or the decal. There you can see there's an air bubble, and it really was windy. I was trying to hurry because I didn't want it to blow, and really probably just messed myself up there. But here I'm slowly and deliberately just pulling it up firmly. It doesn't hurt the decal at all, and none of the adhesive comes off when you do this. But before you start over, step back and make sure you have it aligned back the way you wanted it. It needs to be straight. I haven't done it before, but I feel pretty confident that if you had stuck the entire decal on and came back the next day and you thought, man, that's not exactly where I want it, I think you could still slowly and deliberately pull it off and reposition it. And I say that because I've had a decal on my bike, on this one here, for about 1.5 years, daily driver, and I took it off before I installed these, and they were still in such great shape that one of them's on a laptop now, and another one is stuck to a plywood CrossFit box. So they still work. They would be a little bit more worn out adhesive wise than this would be if you pull it off the following day. Just to give you an idea of how strong and sturdy they are and how long they'll last. They don't lose color over time. At least I've not seen them lose color yet, and I've had the same decals on a bike for almost 2 years without any quality loss, and really no signs of it losing any quality. So there you saw I just removed the masking tape and pulled the backing off the other half, and what I'm doing really is just going from the middle towards the outsides. Just slowly, don't get in a hurry. Just make sure that you push it all the way across, and that's going to get any kind of air bubbles that might have tried to get in there. It's just going to push them out. And since it's so thick, it's like 12 mil vinyl, it makes it resistant to air bubbles. So this is actually pretty easy. I know some people will get a friend to apply it for them because they feel like they don't have a steady hand or a good eye for it. And that's okay, but it's also okay to have a little confidence in yourself, because it's really not as dramatic as it seems. And once it's on there, it looks like paint. Sometimes it's hard to see that in the photos, But I'm going to pick the camera up here and show you guys. The light reflecting off of it behaves just like this was painted on. And really the only way somebody's going to know that it's not is if they get up close to it and start running their hands over it. Then you can kind of see a little bit of an edge to it. But even then, stock decals and war bonnets on the bikes, they also have a bit of an edge on them. They're just clear coated over. I think it looks great, and so far everyone that's got a decal from us loves it and say they get great response for it, so I hope you'll love yours too. If you haven't picked one yet, we have plenty of photos on customer bikes to help you make your mind up. And if you did get our decals, please send us some pics, let us know about it. If you've got a video, we'd love to see it. We just really like to see our artwork on your bikes, and we really want to expand and just keep offering more and more, so help us get the word out there. If you guys have any questions about this process or anything that I didn't cover, just reach out and let me know, and I'll be happy to get back to you. I'm going to give you a link to our website. It's here on the watermark on the video. I'm going to show you a quick preview of the website. Here's where you can check us out and see all of our other designs. And we're also on Instagram and Facebook, so give us a follow and we'll follow you back. We would love to see the photos that you guys post. Thanks for watching the video.